Hi, I'm pleased to tell you a little bit about the TRIO Student Support Services program here at Westfield State University. TRIO is a comprehensive academic support program serving students with academic need who are eligible for the program services. We provide comprehensive academic and personal support designed to help students persist, grow in their experience at Westfield State with a great eye beyond to graduate school and preparation for career as well. TRIO serves students with academic need who are eligible in certain categories. Students must be eligible in at least one of the three criteria, that is, demonstrating economic need, and/or is a first-generation college student where no parent has a 4-year college degree, and/or a student having a documented disability. TRIO assists students in a range of ways, from academic to personal supports, as well as financial literacy, career development, and all kinds of things that help students maximize their Westfield State experience and move on successfully. We're excited to talk to you more about us. You can email us, call us, or look on our website and download our application. Thanks for your time.